In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your mirror glass on your Buick Encore. It's located on your side mirror. So we've taped our glass in case it shatters. It's a good practice to do. Slide your trim tool in, pull it out, and give it a good pop. And then you're going to unplug these two wires. And now we're going to replace it. After you've connected them, you can pop on the mirror. Make sure it's lined up. And pop it on. Now you can take your tape off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.